Steven Nyarikemboda so kuargania roboti rukuru se county ya Nyamira sensemo yenda basa wetani chimi ibirukuru county ya Kisii na Nyamira nigo basangire kana ime nsemo yo kwena na maegerio sabari ya Kisii ATC abo sebari ngekwegerwa igoro yechinchira chigokora amarweri yebichuni ebyo bigo sariye kemerikia hasha avocado asoburweri bumanyekaire buna pasha maitsa gusangekere kyo ni gaba bwatani baereru byabwa maegerio ayo eriyo gokonya bari me commentary gesariabo nigo bono basemire basae kwebwata n'uburimi obwo bwa hasha avocado iri kwenyorera engeria buna omosa itopeto elmashiri agotumanya ase obwagare
bunenchiremo yo gusira abalimi imerongorwa gusi urechinchiro cyo gokineri gesariye kemeri kya asa avocado nigolchikirero abasawetanya chimebere kure county ya Kisii neri ya Nyamira abasangirikana imensemo yo kwena na magirio y'abalimi ya ATC memo cy'Bosongo eri kwegeriwa igoro yechinchira cyo gukora amaroire y'ebichuni byo gusaria ekemeri kya hasa avocado asoboroire umanyakanitse na pasha maitse.
Siku ya leo tuko hapa Kisii County ambapo tumeweza kukuja kufanya mafundisho. Mafundisho yetu haswa inaguza wana youth na tunawafundisha on the value chain ambayo ni avocado, specifically on pest management. Na currently we have a pest ambayo inaitwa pasha mite ambayo ni pest ambayo bado ni kigeni sana mno. Inasumbua wakulima haswa wale wa avocado na mpaka sasa hivi wakulima wanasumbuka. Hawawezi jua hii pest ni nini inawatatiza, and so through the partnership tuko nayo na Mastercard Foundation pamoja na other stakeholders, that is AFA, KEPHIS pamoja na PCPB, we organized hii training ya siku ya leo ili wakulima waweze kufundishwa hii pasha mite ni nini na pia waweze kujua jinsi ya kuicontrol katika mashamba zao.
Pasha mite ni bichuni gete bisinini utanyare kubirona maisao kumana mone bikoria mato kurunse karabya lira mato kwanya avocado yansire butware uraini gete kurunse gabure yellow kwa yuga mataya arokana naro yellow na ndibono tari okora gasire atakere okora siendagira agere amatunda abamanene
wasange kirekyo nigo bairairo byo basai abarabange asokwibwatanya soburimi bwekemeri kiga eryo goikonya asokwegenderera na kwinyorera ngeria.
Currently all of us know that the population of Kenya is almost 75% is comprised of youth, and then the backbone of our economy is purely agriculture. So what we are trying to do is to secure a future for this particular country by trying to onboard these youths as soon as possible to ensure that we have a future in Kenya whereby we continue promoting agriculture and ensuring that in the near future and I would say to the future, we don't fall of starvation if youths don't take agriculture.
Tupande cares a lot about the youth and women and farmers in general. As our motto goes by, we put farmers first in everything we do. And today we are demonstrating that by building the capacity for the youths to be able to manage pasha mite.
Na ndabona twaleta youths kera mpango bakubwata kubwa bagaka youths abanane twete bakuruga iga na urubaji gosomia abana mibande galia mashinani mu urairo mbororo na ngaki bogutangika bali abarembo itabarajara ko nyabaranga banyoriri afaitingia kura soburimi bwa avocado
nigo bono abasaye basemiwe kwenekimone kemeri kyonke bayimeremo nabigo abantu kuborigo kwibwatana n'oburimi bwekemeri kyo eryo kwinyorera ngeria.
Actually namo tomaite gusiga iga abasaba banga karaba ko school bahansire gutama kurunga iga abandi bacire cingumbu tupai wapi Nairobi kulige parwa, lakini ndubate department ya youth kubata na dole sana kubasoya uburimi
asa barimi igonda tebenga tigato simeke chi avocado chitorochi tebugati avocado tebugati igasinkom tori konya koyerenda bunora alende goseni chae goseni chingeni gosenki nande ge koira sake ke ya rusirie actually inkorora tore baba tugotwara tore market
Kuripotiria Ensoko TV kurensemeya yokwena magiri ya barimi ya ATC memo chobo songo nchempethuel Machin.